Alright, on today, we're building the turbo manifolds. They're tacked together. As you saw in the last video, the two turbos were hanging there off the front of the engine, the Saab 900 ones. We've taken them out. Last night I threw them in the fireplace here to heat up the cast steel section of it here so it could weld up nice. What I should have done is probably grabbed non-aluminized steel tubing, like just the bare stuff. The stuff that has the coating, it's kind of a pain to weld. It just pulls in a bunch of contaminants. And the welding on the manifold section of it went alright, but once it hit the painted section, it kind of turned to shit. But it would take forever to heat them up on the with a little propane torch to get up hot enough to welding. And then I just threw them back in there to let it cool down. So yeah, like this one, it turned alright. I'm gonna cut off the extra tabs where the studs would go, and yeah, it should be alright. Yeah, premium design manifold, but also going to, El Garbaggio turbos. So today we'll weld these up together, weld these on. I'll probably put a little like tab or something, just as a stiffener plate, and yeah, then I can throw those back on, mount the turbos, and then we'll start making downpipes. Here we are on the manifolds. I took them out of the forge there, and or the fireplace, and added some filler there. I just worried that when the TIG was hitting the aluminized like steel, it was kind of, you could see some porosity in the weld, so I figured I'd just grind it out. Reheat it back up, go over the whole thing, just add a shit ton of material there to hopefully make it a stronger joint. Yeah, so right now they're a little bit warm, not burning the hands, probably like a 30 to 40 degrees Celsius here, and we're just welding them up. Bolted them both together because if you weld them without it, it may pull up the flange and then it'll never seal. And again, it's under pressure, so you kind of got to be wary of that. Yeah, so we're going to finish the welding up. I'll put the camera somewhere where you can see it. So time to add a couple little support plates. This is going to be holding away the turbo, and so it's a bit of weight that's going to be kind of vibrating as it goes down the road. So we'll let this cool down, we'll let the nylons puke out their nylon, and we'll take it out, and yeah, should be good to go. turbo, I hope. But equal kind of gaps around there, so that's a good sign. Now that means we can adapt this, run to this pipe here. And then be good to go. So I have a flex pipe in here. It'll make my job and that this shit a lot easier. Alright, so what we've done is we welded a little elbow to the flex joint here so I can kick it down on an angle right away. And then we're going to just basically seat that in there. Let her kind of lay where she wants, a little bit of an angle. So we're kind of close to that, that flange, but making sure that we're right in line with it. So yeah. Adjust it. Our little downpipe piece, it gets adapted down to 1 7/8 from the 2.5 out or 2 inch out, which is slightly undersized, but I'm kind of thinking that maybe since it's small, it'll keep velocity out, so it'll shoot in there and mix in pretty well with the other turbo. They're going 2.5, or that's 2 1/4 through the motor mount hole, but we'll make that probably tomorrow. I'll probably upload this video because it's all the stuff I have. It's getting quite long with the manifold making, but yeah, she's coming right along. I'll keep you informed on how the build goes by making more videos. Alright, bye.